Hello and welcome to another episode of Hawthorne Law TV. My name is Jim Hart. I'm the founder and chief attorney here at Hawthorne Law. And today I want to talk to you about limited liability companies. This is the last in the series that we've been going over of videos that discuss all the different business entities that you may want to consider filing when you form your online business. So a limited liability company, I think it's important to start with the definition, as always, of what a limited liability company is. So here's a quick definition. A limited liability company, or LLC, is a form of a private limited company. It is a business structure that combines the pass-through taxation of a partnership or sole proprietorship with the limited liability of a corporation. An LLC can also choose to be taxed like an S corporation. Now, what's important for you to know about that is that a limited liability company, or an LLC, is a sort of hybrid business entity. It has a lot of flexibility in how it is taxed and managed. It's a very popular option with a lot of entrepreneurs. So it gives you a lot of options while still maintaining the limited liability that you would have as a corporate owner. So the main benefits of doing business as an LLC are that, for starters, it enjoys limited liability just like a corporation does. And the second main benefit is that it can be elected to be taxed as a partnership, and a C corporation, an S corporation, or basically depending on your personal situation. You do have a lot of flexibility there. It allows for a flexible management structure, meaning that an LLC can be run by a single member or multiple members, or even an outside member if you wanted. And also the members of the LLC can distribute the profits and losses any way they want. So like whereas an S corporation is going to divide profits and losses in proportion to your ownership interest in the business, the LLC can make an agreement as to dividing those profits and losses up any way they would like. Now, that being said, there are, as always, some disadvantages to operating as an LLC, and most of those disadvantages come from the form of reduced opportunities to receive tax benefits from the payment of certain fringe benefits that you could receive as an owner-employee of a corporation. In addition, you can't offer stock or stock plans or things like that to employees of an LLC because there's no stock to be issued. Stock comes from a corporation, not an LLC. Owners of an LLC are called members. They're not called shareholders because there is no stock. And along with that, you're not going to be able to offer stock to the public at large. So if you need to raise capital, an LLC is probably not a good option for that. So in the past several videos, we've been going through all these different business entities, and as you can see, the decision to incorporate versus form an LLC versus stay put exactly the way you are is really not an easy one, and it's something that it's a complex decision. There's lots of moving parts, there's lots of variables to consider, most important of which are going to be your goals and what you're trying to do with your business. So if you do have questions about that, we recommend that you contact an attorney. Obviously, this is not a one-size-fits-all decision. This is a decision that you're going to need to take a lot of time and make sure that you plan out correctly to make sure you get it right. So I want to thank you for watching today. Once again, my name is Jim Hart. If you have any questions about what type of business entity you'd like to form or would like to know more about how to protect your brand online, you can check us out at www.hawthornelaw.net. And once again, my name is Jim Hart, and I want to thank you for watching today. Thanks so much, folks, and we'll see you next time.